for a shit ton of eBay packages. So this is a lot. This is like most of it. Oh, these are speakers. Like I ordered like 19 things from eBay from Christmas. I got like $500. So I'm gonna unbox the first little one. It's nice and heavy. I believe these are like KLH speakers. They're pretty good speakers. They're like one of the best budget speakers. They're not scam. I've known them for like 5 years now. And they're a legit brand. Actually 6 years. They make good stuff for the price. Personally, they only like sell very few things now. For like good stuff for the price. That's well packaged. I don't like portable chargers that fall out of my lap. These are 3-way outdoor speakers. I know one's just a piezo, but it's just a piezo. It's not like a fake tweeter though, but they don't do anything. But doesn't mean they're like terrible speakers. It's common on cheaper speakers. Even Sony has it. So it's pretty normal to see. But they have a real tweeter though. A 2-inch tweeter. Hold on. Yeah, I don't wanna break the speakers. They're brand new in the box. See that? I'm gonna check this. I'm not gonna check them right now because it's all like sealed up. I don't want to make the video too long because it took forever to process 4K and shit. So I'm gonna open the second one. This one, I hope everything is in good condition because I cannot return it. It's a parts only like item. But I don't think there's anything broken in there. It's just a little dent on the box. Didn't pay too much for it though, and it's a lot. A part lot. Paid like $30, $35 plus shipping, which isn't too bad. So that's like $60. That includes like tax and everything. These are ultra cheap stuff though. I think these trust speakers aren't good. Like I heard this brand. Let's see what the drivers look like. Oh, that isn't too bad. At least their vintage stuff it looks okay. I hope these sound okay. They look beefy. All of these 90s speakers did not sound too good though, but I have high hopes for these to like sound good because the box is big. It's most likely these shitty like ass amplifiers though. Probably don't deliver even not a watt. This one's heavier. Let's see if it rattles. Maybe just a little bit of dirt in there. Doesn't seem like anything like significant. They're like very heavy. You can barely lift it. This one appears to be rattling. Oh, it's Sharper Image. It's like one of the worst brands ever. Maybe the driver's okay. I'm definitely taking this one apart. I'm gonna take this one more apart too. These are just parts. They just came like that, and I saw these in the photos. Plus, I don't have the other speaker though, but it's still good to take the driver out. I'm gonna blow this up. It's a Logitech. It's a little 4.5 inch. They're not good stuff. Well, they're good though, but look at that. It's just torn up. Maybe I can get like a new driver for it. Something appears to be rattling there though. Especially the bows. Or it's probably dirt. A Sony boomboxing kind of thing. Nothing appears to be rattling in there at all. Hopefully it works though. It's all scuffed up the casing. But these are sold for parts only. They're not like working. They might not be working. So it's not a big deal. I know this is the RCA. I think this is terrible. Probably has like one of the worst drivers. Probably gonna blow this up. Oh, here's the part that came off the Logitech subwoofer thing. I don't have the power like brick for this thing. I don't know if this works. Let's see if it rattles. One thing appears to be rattling in there either. So don't think there's anything else in there. Oh, another portable speaker thing. Didn't notice that. It's a Google speaker. The mesh is a little bit torn up though. Probably gonna take that apart as well. There's probably nothing left in there. Just broken pieces from the Logitech subwoofer thing. I think pieces might have fell in these things though from this. That. There's another box. I wonder if these are any of these are radios. I would consider this a third part. Unboxing radios part 3 and speakers. But I highly doubt any of them are radios. Maybe the Sony, I didn't pay attention to it though. More wrapping paper. Should have been more packaged nicely, but it's a part lot, so. Oh, there's no rattling in this KLH speakers. Hope these work. They might work though. And the cover is removable. Oh, that's pretty nice. I hope the tweeters or anything has blood on these. I know these are pretty good speakers. These are surround sound stuff. Plus they have the other one as well. No rattles in this either. Let's see if the other speaker's okay. Oh, it looks... They seem okay. Most of them seem to rattle at all. If these work, I'm pretty lucky with another pair of speakers. Some more Bose speakers. I'm not like too surprised with Bose. They're okay though, but they're overpriced. I already have a couple Bose speakers. See if these are okay. But it's just Bose. Nothing special. They sound good though. But Paper Cone is just very basic, and they sell these over like $1,000. That one appears to be okay. I'm not gonna destroy them because they sound pretty good though, but they're just overpriced. That's all I have to say to them. Another power adapter thing. That appears to be okay. That appears to be okay. So far, these are in good shape. A Panasonic speaker. See if this is okay. Hold on. Yep, that seems okay. I hope I find another one of these speakers. It's just a single. I'm just gonna order another one. These are inexpensive ones. Panasonic's pretty good. This is heavy. Some really cheapo HP speakers. Yeah. Plus knobs broken off. They might be okay though. They use Kingo speakers. Kingo is like an okay like Big Lots brand. It's not like the worst of the worst, but they're rather cheap though. But not, they discontinue it and request to order even worse like speakers, such as Sylvania, Emerson. Those are way worse than Kingo. Plus they're overpriced on eBay. I wouldn't pay for Kingo shit speakers. Some cheap gateway speakers, like they're okay. Just a little scuffs on them. Well, they're actually dirty, not scuffed up. I heard the bigger ones before. They're pretty good. They're bassy. They have 30-watt speakers. I hope I get those bigger ones of these soon. Oh my god, that's heavy as shit. Here's an iWatch speaker. They're a hit or a miss, though. Some are good, some are terrible. Probably want to end this video in just a minute. Let's take the cover off. Appears to be good. Oh my god. I can't even move. Let me set my iPhone down. Be very careful. That's it. Oh my god. That's actually a very nice iWatch speaker. Thought it would be cloth, but those bad ones. Has rubber surround, nice tweeter. Hope this works. Just a little bit of dents on the casing. I'm just probably gonna order another one of these, and it's just the same. Well, it looks in okay shape. I'm not gonna tear it apart or anything. Putting it in this video now. I can't even move. And I want to be careful with my iPhone because it's $1,000, $1,100. So yes, thanks for watching.